all the listeners again. Before I start, I would like to thank Principal Professor Dr. Moshmi Datta for giving us an idea of starting our own podcast. I would also like to thank Vice Principal and IQAC Coordinator Professor Dr. Mona Mehta for helping us to make this podcast come into existence. This podcast is in association with Internal Quality Assurance Cell hosted by the Department of Multimedia and Mass Communication. So let's start with a new episode of NKC Spotlight. Welcome to our special episode of the role of NKBMMC in getting students industry ready. Today we have an alumnus, Ms. Urmi Bhatt, where she is going to share her experience since graduation. We also have Mrs. Avni Patharia. She is a mother of a BMMC student, where all her doubts would be answered. What a parent need to know when her child is studying in this college. So yeah, let's begin with the podcast. Firstly, I would like to know that how are you both doing? Like Urmi ma'am, you have been here for 3 years in this college, and after a long time you are coming back, sharing your experiences and guiding our current students about about the job, or let's say how they should live the college life at the most. So can you tell us that how are you feeling right now being in the college?
I think more than anything, I feel like an adult right now. It is a very different feeling to be on this side of the side than to be on that side. I'm sure all the cameramen and everybody, they are looking and they're like, okay, attention. When this was technically my job, I was the IT head on my second year, so worked that side of it. So been there, done that. So it feels very adultish and very responsible now that you have to guide people while you have to be a little clueless yourself. So, okay, life's good.
Great. And Avni ma'am, you are a parent of a student who has just started off his college life, and you might be having a lot of doubts, queries, and also at the same time you will be excited because he is going to live the most beautiful moments, that is college life. So can I know how are you feeling being here?
So when I got a call from my son yesterday saying that, Mama, would you like to attend one event of my college? There is a little podcast to be done. Would you like to come? I said, yeah, I'll come and see what's happening. I was very excited about it. And then he finally said that you have to be there on the chair and you will be shooted. I said, oh, okay. So yeah, this is the very first event after my son entering the college. I was not expecting it so soon to be here, but I am very excited and thrilled about every event that is going to be happen now. Because my son is a very creative person, and being, he being on the creative side, I chose, we both, together chose this course as his career for the future. And so yes, this is a very proud moment and exciting moment for me to be here with you all.
Great decision, because mass media in this field, your son is going to experience a lot of things, and we are glad that you could give us your valuable time and be with us, because in this podcast I think you are the very first parent who we are featuring, and we are doing an entire podcast thing with a parent. So yeah.
Then be rest assured that I'll be always there with you all whenever you all need
That's really
me.
sweet of you, ma'am. Yeah. So let me ask you the very interesting question, Urmi ma'am. What's your favorite memory from the college life?
See, now she's a parent, so I'm not going to scare her. So everything's very good. Lot of fun, okay?
No worries at all.
I think the most memorable moment for me would be I interviewed Anand Narasimhan, which is currently a Times Now journalist. Or India Today, we'll have to fact check that. But I interviewed him on stage, right how you and I are sitting, in front of my parents. So I think it was one of the, he still is one of the top journalists in the country, and had the opportunity to interview him right how you're sitting.
That's great. Avni ma'am, college time during your days would be comparatively different from what it is now. So we all would like to know that can you share some small fun moments you had during your college time?
So basically, I know that college is this life is the best life. Like the degree college is always the best life, and like school, we have lot of memories with our college as well, with our college friends, with the what you call as the campus, the environment, teachers, learnings, and lot of things. For me, it was difficult to attend college because I had to earn for my own studies, and I was earning as well as studying. But I always had a dream that whenever I'll have a child, I will see to it that he or she gets the best college life. And they should, like that 3 years, he should, live at his full, So that was always my dream, and that is the reason why I've been looking at his creative side. And one more thing, during our times, we only knew commerce, arts and science. We did not knew anything.
Now there are too many
apart
options
from it.
now.
So it took a long for us for this 2 years, just sourcing that what are the courses available and which course he can actually go for, which will be a fun as well as a lot of learning and which he can actually live, It is not about studying. So I always tell him that leave your college life. It's not studying your college, it's studying in your life.
Exchange my mother.
So I'm just looking forward to the best part of his life now, this 3 years, and I'm very happy that he has got into the right course and right college, and I'm very sure about the best life he'll have it over here.
He will.
And so whatever you missed during your college life, he's going to fulfill
But I
it.
think very
want him to
honestly,
fulfill.
when I think it's very significant for you to say that you also chose it for him,
Yes.
like the college, right? So I think one thing, even like if I might be a future parent soon. So I mean, what were your 5 factors? Because if I was in your position right now, I would have been super scared with looking at the generation it is right now and how the kids, are so fast. Like I have a sister who's 7 years younger, and I'm still scared about her. How will you chose okay, this is a good college to be in?
So there are a few facts which we, as a parent, we have to consider in life, like if we want to make their life and career better, we have to be in sync with each other. If he says, I want to go to some blah blah college, I say no, you have to go here, then it doesn't work like that. So we have to sit together at every moment and plan, like what we are planning, where you are enjoying, where you are falling short, what you want to do in life or achieve, what I want you to achieve, how can we hand in hand work towards your success and goals in life. And that's what we have been doing right from he was in 5th standard, I think. Right from 5th standard, we both sit together every moment and we discuss lot of things, and we see that where is he, feeling that enthusiasm or joy or thing like that. And that was one of the most important factor which helped me, which helped both of us on coming on the same page and choosing the right college and the right course. Secondly, as you spoke about scaring, I know that I have been in education from last 15 years, and I have been talking to parents day in, day out, being with children right from 6 years to any age. I have been with children, So I know it's very scary for the school children or the school parents as well, sending their child to school, sending them in school bus or traveling through the road.
You're saying that the scare is going to be constant in general.
Yeah, this is there. But we should be concentrating on one thing while we are, like as you said, you are going to be a future parent. So I would just like to tell you one thing, that when you are raising your child, you have to concentrate on one thing, making him a good human being. Don't go after grades. Don't go after writing part and doing things and activities right from junior, senior, 1st standard, 2nd standard. इसका बच्चा कर रहा है, मेरा बच्चा नहीं कर रहा है, क्यों इतना नहीं कर रहा है, कब करेगा, कब बोलेगा, कब सीखेगा. Instead of just running behind all of those things, concentrate and focus on making your child a good human being, disciplined and organized, with good mannerism, taking his decisions right, making good friends, because this is going to help him in the outer world. You are not going to be with him or her for 24 hours. And that is what I did. Spiritualism, raising up in the right way, not running after the grades or other things or the activities alone. Everything has its own time. Today my son is a Rubik Cube expert, having a 18 cubes portfolio, and he is going to reach 72 cubes portfolio very soon.
Wow.
So activities, things fall in place at its own time. When did he started doing this? Just after his 12th exams.
Oh, and
Just
he
in
reached
2
18 so
months.
soon.
Yeah. So just in 2 months. But you know, all of those hard work and efforts which were put in his raising up is showing me today. So that is how it shows at the right time. So we have to just wait for the right time and just not run behind.
So basically, just wait and watch and figure. Okay.
Your son would be really proud and grateful that he has a
Oh,
mother.
he is smiling. I have been looking at him. Don't worry, my eyes are there. He's smiling, and how? She can't see because somebody else is standing in between, but he's smiling.
But I'm very fortunate mother as well to have a son like this, because after giving everything, if a child doesn't follow it, you cannot do anything. He looks up to me for everything. He
I think you've also built that. Like for me, when I wanted to join this course, there was a big fight at home. Because at that point in time, it was what? It's 2024 abhi, and I passed 10 years back. Yeah. I want to join exactly 10 years back. And my parents were like, this is not a career or a course. And I had another different life goal where I want to be a paper journalist. And that was all the more taken aback. Yaar, how will you manage? Because uss time pe writing was just that. Like if you wanted to write, either you write Patra Lekha or either you write for Times of India. 2 of 1 things. So I think it is very great even as a parent that you took this initiative.
I could understand it because I wanted to become a CA. I was like crazy. I wanted to become a CA. I wanted to study. I wanted to come at. But somehow at that point of time, our parents wouldn't had that vision. They knew just science, commerce, arts and apna karo and फिर शादी करो and जाओ.
Yeah.
है ना? So I think I had gone through that, and I know what it takes to not have a career what you want to have or not have a study what you want to have. So I did not ever wanted my son to go through it, and I never ever still want to run after the package or run after
But
the.
it's not worth it. Before 26, I myself am telling you, not worth it.
Yeah,
Because you won't
so
learn
he
otherwise.
will choose his own path
Yeah.
and destiny on his own time. But I always want to go after the learnings, the joy, happiness, and you live your desired life. You live every moment. That is what is most important for me, I think.
My session ka feedback, I should ask your son first. How did he like it? Because I think if he said good, that means I did my job right.
Yeah.
My next question to you, Urmi ma'am, is if you could go back in time, what would be the one thing that you would like to change?
Not being so worried about what will I do after. I think one thing that I spoke very highly even today in my thing was because she would understand it way better right now is your parents had some expectations out of you, and while you fulfill those expectations, you really forget that you are still 18, assuming that is what a first year student is, and I was a year younger to all my batchmates. I was 17. So at 17, I genuinely had forgotten how to have fun. So I wish I could, go back and tell my parents, it's okay, I will figure. Some magic ball, crystal ball, I would have seen, yaar, kar rahi ho tum life mein. I told my parents the same thing, yaar, I'll figure. So I wish I had a lot of fun, but I did. Honestly, I did, but yeah, thoda aur.